What's going on, YouTube? Says Kicks back again. I know it's been a long time since I put up a video, but life gets in the way. Work, family, just trying to stay on top of that. But I tell you one thing that doesn't stop, getting these kicks. So I'm here. I got a couple videos that I'm about to put on. So if you see me wearing the same white t-shirt in about 4 videos, you know why, because I'm shooting it all today. So with that being said, today is Saturday. What is today? The 30th. Saturday the 30th. So you know what that means. We had a plethora of kicks come out today. The international threes. You had the Yeezys. You had the Westbrooks that came out. I guess in honor of like his high school career or something. What else came out? What's some other stuff that came out? Oh, I think the pennies came out. So yeah, man. But you know how a lot of these things are. You have to now go on raffles and whatnot and sign up. I didn't hit on any app raffle, i.e. Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action, none of them. I did do an in-store raffle with Finish Line, who seems to always kind of come through for me in the clutch when it's like raffles. So, but this is my first pickup of this actual shoe through their raffle. But I've won on their raffle a couple times. But yeah, with that being said, let's get into the shoe. Boop. All right, here we go. And as most of you know what this is, butter. As you can see, size 12, Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. Colorway is butter. But anyways, this is my second pair of Yeezys. So, I mean, I know most of y'all have seen these, but I'm gonna unbox them anyway. I was kind of excited about these, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'm not a huge Adidas fan, and then I'm also almost kind of not a Yeezy fan anymore after his stupid rants. So yeah, I don't know. I might let these go. I think I more so got them for trade bait or to sell. Yeah, the shoe's not that bad. The colorway is actually kind of clean. I kind of like it. I mean, it'd be hard to kind of get this bottom dirty. You'll know it's dirty when you mess with these pods. But yeah, man, the yellow shoestrings. It's crazy though to kind of see where the shoe has gone from almost like a year ago. They were almost impossible to get because they were thousands of dollars, anywhere from $750 to $1,000, and now you can get on StockX and get these bad boys. These right here, I think, are going for around $290, $300 range. I don't know if they're going to go up, go down. I don't know if it's more quantities. It seems to be like there's more quantities. Also would like to really truly know if the dumb stuff that Kanye West has said has truly hurt his brand, man. I know for a fact I listened to his album once. I thought it was trash, and I'm probably not gonna listen to it anymore. But had he not said that, I might have taken a chance to just listen to it a little more. Maybe I might like it, maybe I might not. But with that being said, I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence. It's a lot of stuff he says is extremely stupid. Slavery was a choice, bruh. Anywho, aside from that, the shoes are buttery, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I don't know if I'm gonna trade them. I don't know if I'm gonna sell them. But these things, I might actually end up wearing them. These would be kind of a dope summer shoe. I'm going on a family beach trip here in a month or so. So this might be a little dope shoe to run around in, you know, light, easy to wear, comfortable. But yeah, man, that's my Yeezy 350 V2 butter. Leave a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. I really think that YouTube is not showing my video because my first video I did, I got 2,500 views, and the rest of them have gotten like 20, 30. I don't know if it's because I suck at this or if it's because they're just not showing my video. But make sure to comment, like, subscribe, leave a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, please, please. I'm trying to at least get to 100 subs, and then we'll work from there. I'm trying gonna try to be more consistent on the content that I put up, and you know, I feel like since the last time I did a video, I've gotten at least 20 pairs of shoes, and I hadn't done a review on any of them. But that's life. Life gets in the way, and you know. That it is what it is. Anywho, Says Kicks signing out. Peace.